Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the updated steps to find the pages you've liked on Facebook. Whether you're revisiting old favorites or managing your interests, this quick and easy tutorial will help you navigate the process seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it to proceed. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This will take you to a page with various account and activity options. Now, locate and tap on Activity Log, which is found under the section titled Your Activity. The activity log is where all your interactions on Facebook are recorded and organized. From here, tap on Your Facebook Activity. This will display a list of categories related to your actions on the platform. Look for the option labeled Pages and tap it. Under Pages, you'll see a category called Page Likes and Interests. Tap this option to reveal all the pages you've liked or shown interest in over time. This list allows you to review your liked pages and manage them as needed. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your liked pages on Facebook. Whether you're curating your feed or simply reminiscing about past interests, this method ensures you can easily find and manage your liked pages anytime. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need a little guidance navigating Facebook. See you next time.